So here we are at a great viewpoint which can show you the whole of Cannes. And to give you an idea of the type of properties, I mean, they range from, you know, a very small apartment around 150, 200,000, perhaps a studio, to one that we filmed yesterday with our agent in Cannes, Sandrine. Fabulous place at 14 million euros. And you'll see why. It has the most spectacular views all over one of the little ports in Cannes, right over it in the far part of the Croisette, overlooking the sea. Let's go and have a look at it. We're really lucky to be able to show you this amazing 500 square meters in one of the best locations that you can get in Cannes. And as you can see behind me, the view. This is Sandrine Strickland, who is our agent down here in Cannes. And what can you tell us about the area, Sandrine, where we are?
So this is the Palm Beach area, and we are facing the Île de Lérins. We have Saint-Honorat and Sainte-Marguerite, and we have the Croisette on the other side. So the Palm Beach is really at the end of the Croisette, so it's a fantastic area.
It's probably one of the best areas that you can stay in Cannes. The film festival is held at the Croisette. All of the main events are held at the Croisette, and so it's very, very popular. Behind me you'll see big yachts coming in and coming out, and in May when the film festival's on, this will just be full of yachts. And this apartment is absolutely fantastic. Now they've just finished renovating it, so it's still having a little bits of touch-up and snagging work being done, but it's absolutely amazing. And on this terrace where we are at the moment, there's also a swimming pool, which is just great with the views. So should we go in and you can show me around, Sandrine?
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. A little bit windy today with that sea breeze. Yeah. But as you come into this room, this is the most amazing room. This is the best floor in the house. There is another floor, which is just a roof terrace. But here you can see you've got a 270, 280 even degree view all of the way around Cannes. So is it east facing, south facing, this particular terrace?
South and west.
Excellent. And the swimming pool just over there on the southwest of the property. But you just can't beat this view. I've never seen a property with this view.
The view is amazing.
With this size property, and it's actually it's on 3 floors. Or am I right?
3 floors.
3 floors.
Plus the solarium.
Plus the solarium.
Yep.
Fantastic. And it's literally just been finished. So as we're going around the tour, you'll probably see bits of plastic and things that have still got to come off. But we're lucky enough to get in first and be able to show you it. So let's go and have a look around.
Let's go.
So we're going to go down to the other floors after. Yeah. Love this great big hallway and these steep sloping staircases. So this one goes up to the roof terrace.
Absolutely.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So here in the corridor that comes through to like a summer kitchen, they've just had this pool put in, so that's not even filled yet.
No.
It's absolutely brand spanking new. And the panoramic views you get from here on this level of the property is just amazing. I mean, you could literally sit there all day. You've got people sailing, you've got yachts coming in. So here on the right, you've got this lovely summer kitchen, which is great for the dining table and this floor here. And you were saying the elevator, that just comes to this floor.
Absolutely. So direct from the ground floor.
From the ground floor. Yeah. So although we're 3 floors up in this apartment itself, you can come straight in, which is absolutely fantastic. And then there's a little breakfast type room. Yeah,
we have a small dining room here. Yeah.
So coming through from the summer kitchen, we've got this lovely little dining area that works really well with the swimming pool. And again, this whole floor of the apartment wraps around the central terrace, and there's just views are just amazing everywhere. So I love this big, wide, sweeping staircase.
Very chic.
Very chic. And this is original, this particular staircase. And all of them are the same on every level, which is fabulous. So on this floor, there's bedrooms and another sitting room. And
there is the master bedroom here.
Okay.
And more bedroom. There are 3 bedrooms here with a bathroom and dressing rooms.
Fantastic.
And this is the master bedroom with this fantastic view.
Imagine waking up to this in the morning is just unbelievable. And I love the features in the ceiling. As you can see here, it's like a dropped ceiling with beautiful lighting. Just the most amazing views. And each bedroom has its own dressing room, bathroom, ensuite bathroom, and dressing room, which is really, really lovely. And nice big spacious rooms as well with their own private terrace. The floors, these are marble
is marble,
throughout,
yeah.
all the way through
all
three floors.
Yeah.
And the one thing with obviously being in the south of France, parking does it come with parking?
It comes with 4 parking on the lower ground.
So 4 parking spaces.
Yeah.
Well, that's brilliant as well, which is really good. And I've noticed we've got aircon everywhere in the apartment.
Air conditioning is everywhere.
Everywhere.
Absolutely.
So that's brilliant. And also noticing when we came in the front door, it's very, very secure. So it's quite a secure building.
Yeah.
Now the whole building, how many apartments are there in the whole building?
There are 4 apartments in this building.
In the whole building?
In the whole building, but this is the main one, obviously.
Yeah, and then this one has 3 floors, well, 4
3 floors with the top floor. Yeah.
That's really amazing. So what would you say is like the main feature or the best thing about this apartment?
The best thing is the address. You are by the sea, you can walk to the restaurants, you have this fantastic area. This is like magic. And the apartment is, I mean, this is an incredible property. Such a big apartment.
It's
4
huge.
parkings.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic opportunity. It's a real dream.
Yeah, it really is. And I don't think there's anything on the market like this at all.
Anything at all.
In this location.
This is a unique property.
It is. And there's only 4 apartments in the whole building, and this has got practically 4 floors of the building.
It is.
It's amazing. Well, let's go and have a look at one of the bedrooms. Their bathrooms. It's huge.
This is incredible. You have a bath, you have a shower, you have such a big storage.
Yeah, fantastic dressing areas, yeah. And then straight the way through. It's a beautiful master bedroom suite. It really is. And
incredible.
Even here in the, if you're having a shower, you can look out
have the view
to
on
the
sea.
Yeah, it's great. Well, that's a superb master suite. So we've got other bedrooms on this floor, and you've also got where all the computers, etc., and office will be stored. Is that?
We have an office in the end, and we have another 2 bedrooms.
Fantastic.
And now we are going to see the main lounge
and kitchen. So here, this is another one of the entrances. You can see these are really big, secure doors. And there's an elevator, a lift on every floor, so you can get off at whatever floor you want to come in. So if there were 2 families here, one family could be on this floor and one family could be on the top floor, because there's 2 kitchens and separate bedrooms on each level.
They could be separate apartments.
Really nice idea, and very, very secure with secure coding.
Yeah.
And so we have another little office lounge area in there. This is a very nice bedroom.
This is a large bedroom.
Yeah.
And you have an ensuite bathroom here and a dressing room.
Oh, okay. Different type of decoration. Marble floors again.
Every bathroom
everywhere.
is different.
Yeah, it's really,
with marble
really pretty.
again. Yeah.
So you have a shower, the toilets and bath in this one as well. And dressing rooms, they all have dressing rooms. And so on this floor, there's another big sitting room, lounge and kitchen area for entertaining.
Yeah, absolutely. This is where we are going now, with a fantastic view again.
So what do we have here?
We have another big kitchen here, open kitchen with a very large dining room.
Yeah, that's fabulous. So this, again, I mean, the volumes and the space that you have
very spacious
here. I like the open planness of the kitchen coming straight into the dining room here. And again, you've got these amazing views. Well, thanks, Sandrine, for showing me around this
Thank you for coming.
huge property. So this one's actually on the market at just under 14 million.
Yep.
Is that normal round here, or is that really rare?
No, it's very rare. I have another 2 properties here in this area. 1.1 million for a rooftop apartment with a sea view. And I have another apartment with a sea view also, 790,000.
So realistically, the properties in this area normally range between about 700 and around 4 million, I think.
4 or 5 millions, absolutely. Yeah.
So something like this that's just enormous.
Yeah, this is
very
something
rare.
very special.
Yeah.
Very special.
I mean, the great thing with apartments like this, I mean, it's like a whole building, not just an apartment.
It is.
Is the rental potential. Because if you bear in mind all of the festivals that happen throughout the year in Cannes, particularly where you've got the superstars and the actors and actresses coming in for the film Film Festival. They don't own properties here, they rent. You've got the Monaco Grand Prix, where a lot of people want to stay in Cannes. You've got MIPIM, which is the big property development festival. You've got the Lions, I think, is it the Lions?
Yeah, it is. It's a marketing event.
Yeah, so there's
very important.
Huge amounts, and obviously a property of this size can host a lot of people.
Absolutely.
So for the film industry and the music industry with Midem, this is exactly the type of property that they want.
Absolutely.
It's huge, they can entertain their guests, they can hold events up here on the balcony, you've got an outdoor pool, you've got the open kitchens and 2 floors of kitchens. So even if you weren't going to be living in it yourself all year round, the rental potential is huge.
It is.
Because, as you said, it's very, very rare. Unless you're staying in a hotel which gets booked up like that at those times of year, a lot of people want to have this space.
Absolutely.
So it's an unbelievable, brilliant apartment to have seen. So thank you very much for that,
Thank you for
Sandrine.
coming. It's a fantastic place. I'm very glad you saw it.
Yeah, me too. And we'll work our way down all of those staircases now.
Yeah.